Hi, this is Srimal Education, Sri Lanka. Today I am going to explain how to complete exercise 2.2 in Unit 2 grade 11. Okay, this is about logarithms and indices part 1. The first question is, they say solve each of the following equations. So I'll show you how to do this. Okay, the first one is they give you 3 to the power x equals 9. Okay, so we need to write 3 to the power x. So next number also should write in the same base. Okay, you can have any different power, that doesn't matter. So you need to write everything with the same base, that is 3 to the power 2. If bases are equal, the indices also should equal to each other, so that x equals to 2. Now see the b part, that is 3 to the power x plus 2 equals 243. So 243 you can write down in the base 3. So that's 3 to the power x plus 2 equals 3 to the power 5. So x plus 2 equals 5, x equals 3. Okay, the next one, c1, that is 4 to the power 3x equals to 32. So 4 means 2 to the power 2 into 3x. Then 32 means 2 to the power 5. So that here 2 to the power 6x equals 2 to the power 5. Then 6x equals 5. Then x equals 5 over 6. Okay. Then the d part, it's 2 to the power 5x minus 2 equals 8 to the power x. So I'll write 2 to the power 5x minus 2, 2 to the power 3 into x. So that will be 5x minus 2 equals 3x. Okay, so then 2x equals 2, x equals 1. The E1, 8 to the power x minus 1 equals 4x. So 8 means 2 to the power 3 to the power x minus 1. 4 means 2 to the power 2 times x. Then 2 to the power 3x minus 1, 2 to the power 2x. Then 3x minus 1 equals 2x, so x equals 1. Then x to the power 3 equals 216. So x to the power 3 equals 6 to the power 3, because 216 you can write down base 6, right? So then here 3 equal to 3. Then if the powers also equal, the converse theorem, the bases also should be equal to each other. Then x equals 6. Next one, 2 root x equals 6. So here what should you do is you need to square both sides. Then 2 into 2, 4x. So 6 into 6, 36. Then to remove the root, you need to square both sides, right? So then x equals 9. Next one, 3 root x equals 2. So same procedure. So that will be 9x squared. Okay, 9x squared equals 4. So we are removing this root value, but even it doesn't matter. So I'll check the h1 again. Okay, h1 is it's like cubic root. Okay, it's not just 3, it's root cubic root equals 2. So we need to cube both sides. So here will be 2x squared after you cube it. Here will be 2 to the power 3, that's 8. So that's 2x squared equals 8. So x squared equals 4, x equals 2. And always make sure you can write plus or minus 2. So even writing x equals 2 is fine. Okay, so but it's better if you write plus or minus 2. The second question, solve each of the following equations. Now I'm going to explain that. So now here you have products. Okay, products. So what you have here, 2 to the power x multiply 8 to the power x equals 256. That is 2 to the power x. 8 means 2 to the power 3 into x. So that will be equals to 2 to the power 8. So here 3x plus 6, 4x equals 8. So you know that procedure. Then that is x equals 2. Next one, 8 multiply 2 to the power x minus 1 equals 4 to the power x minus 2. So 8 means 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power x minus 1. Then here 4 means 2 to the power 2, x minus 2. So here will be 3 2 to the power x plus 2. Okay, because 3 and minus 1, it's make sure always together it's x plus 2, then other side 2x, okay, 2x minus 2. Understood? Now here you can write x plus 2 equals 2x minus 4. So after you complete it, it becomes x equals 4. The next one, that is 5 times 25 to the power 2x minus 1 equals 125. So here 5 to the power 2 to the power 2x minus 1. So here 5 to the power 3. So here 5 to the power 4x minus 1 equals 5 to the power 3. So here will be 4x minus 1 plus 1, just 4x equals 3. So x equals 3 over 4. The d1, it's 3 to the power 2x multiply 9 to the power 3x minus 2 equals 27 to the power minus 3x. So that will be 3 to the power 2x. So 3 to the power 2 times 3x minus 2. Then 3 to the power 3 minus 3x. So I write everything with the same base. This is a operation over here. Then here 6x minus 2 plus 2x. Okay, 6x minus 2 plus 2x. Then equals 9 minus 9x. So here will be 8x. Then when you come for the other side, 17x equals 2. So x equals 2 over 17. Next one's 4x equals 1 over 64. So you can write 4x equals 4 to the power minus 3. So then you can write x equals minus 3. Okay. So how to write here x equals minus 3? And here there is a small issue. This is 4x equals 4 to the power minus 3. Okay. So then it will be, you should divide both sides by 4. Okay. So I made a small error over here. So divide both sides by 4. So here x equals 4 to the power minus 4. Okay. X equals 4 to the power minus 4. The f1, 3 to the power x to the power minus half equals 1 over 27. That's 3 to the power x minus half is 3 to the power minus 3 minus. Okay. So then minus half x equals minus 3. Then x equals 6. The g1, 3 to the power 4x times 3 to the power minus 2 equals 9x. 3 to the power 4x times 3 to the power minus 2 equals 3 to the power 2 to the power x. Okay. So here 4x minus 2 and here 2x. Then after you solve it, 2x equals 2, x equals 1. X to the power 2 equals 1 over 8 to the power minus 2 over 3. So x to the power 2. So after you cancel over here, you can write 1 over 2 to the power 3. Again minus 2 over 3. So x equals 2. I believe in that my explanation is really okay with you. So if you have any issue, just comment below under this video. If my video is really good, if you really like it, just subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's Real Malay Education Sri Lanka. And subscribe, share it, like it, and comment on it. Okay, and not to forget to follow us on all the social media: Facebook, WhatsApp, Viber, and Instagram and YouTube. We are Sri Malay Education Sri Lanka.